Hi, my name is Julio Carrillo. If you're listening this video, it means I have not been able to attend this back meeting. In this opportunity, I would like to introduce the technical subcommittee team in charge of using GIS as a decision-making and informative integrative tool. Myself, Luke, Peter, Alan, and Nick have been brainstorming how this tool and our research outcomes can become useful for technical staff at the City of Austin and but also for the general public. The overall vision and our purpose of this is to use GIS to add greater understanding of the issues of connectivity within the sidewalk network in our city and to be used as a tool to aid decision making and communication of issues with and to the community. The intended outcomes are initially recognized as four. The first, how to measure connectivity of our sidewalk networks in ways the city has not approached yet. Hopefully, all of you in this video have had the chance to play Pac-Man using your neighborhood as the game background. And just want to ask if you had a cul-de-sac in your game, yes or not, and how did your game go actually. Anyways, that's a good example of how of an analogy of how we can start measuring connectivity. Second, we want to seek a way to integrate this data with projects such as Vision Zero. Maybe we can start finding strange correlations between superblocks, population incomes, jobs, crime, pedestrian accidents, sidewalks, etc. Ideally, these correlations may serve as a strong argument for decision making and priority matrices on a number of pedestrian related projects. Third, we if we found these correlations, uh, if we start representing them graphically, it'll be very useful for the city staff, but also for the general public. So the production of GIS maps of our findings is definitely sought as a must. I know we might be tired of these heat maps, severe weather-like representations over our city lately, but somehow I believe those are very powerful information pieces that must be shared. And fourth, we want to look ways to actively and interactively introduce public input and help the prioritization processes for pedestrian-oriented projects. All of these are still open for ideas, collaboration, and support from anyone interested. With this, I just want to close mentioning that we've been talking about turning in a proposal to the Hack for Change platform. If you don't know about this platform, you can Google it and you're going to find something very interesting that the city of Austin is actually participating in. And basically, we want to start organizing the way we can take the first step towards achieving the four goals mentioned before in the slides. If you have any questions of you can contact me or anybody in our technical subcommittee team to talk more about it. I'm gonna blog. I keep blogging about stuff like this in my urbanamo.wordpress.com blog. Thanks.